Your question is, the diagram shows a sector EOG of a circle with center O, with radius r centimeter. The line GF is a tangent to a circle at G and E is the midpoint of OF. Then they have given two questions. Now we have to understand what they have given. So first they have told there is a sector EOG. Where it is? EOG. This white color is your sector. Next, with center O. O is the center. With radius r centimeter. So this is your r centimeter. From here to here and O to E is r centimeter. The line GF is a tangent. G to F is the tangent to a circle at G and E is the midpoint of OF. So this is the midpoint of OF. Now what we will do? See this. If this is R, then OE is also R. And we know that E is the midpoint of OF. That means E to F is also R. And we know that this is the radius and this is the tangent. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That means here it will form 90 degree. Now see that what question they have given, that only we will do now. They have given show perimeter of the shaded region. That means from E to G we have to find out, E to F we have to find out, and G to F we have to find out. So perimeter. So first is your perimeter. So perimeter is what? You can see GF plus FE plus the arc length, that is EG. Arc length, that is EG. So this we have to find it out. How we will find it out? Now you can say this is 90 degree. This is R. O to F is 2R now. So what is GF? By the Pythagoras theorem we will find it out. So Pythagoras theorem states that what? Hypotenuse square, that means 2R square plus is equal to R square plus GF square. So what is your GF? So we can say GF square is equal to 4R square minus R square. That is equal to 3R square. 3R square is your GF square. So what is your GF? GF is root 3R. So we can say R root 3 centimeter is your GF. So here we will put GF as R root 3. R root 3 plus FE. FE is R plus arc length. Arc length, how we will find it out? This angle we should know. This angle. So what is that angle? Just think. What is that angle? So this is root 3R. We will write here. Root 3R. So now if you take here tan theta. Suppose you have taken tan theta. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So this is opposite, that is root 3r. By adjacent is r and r gone. Root 3. So root 3 comes as 60 degree. That means this is 60 degree. And this angle is now 30 degree. Y means this is 90 degree. So that only, this is 60 degree now. So 60 degree is what? Pi by 3. So what is the formula for arc length? Theta by 2 pi into 2 pi r. The formula for arc length is theta by 2 pi into, what is that? 2 pi r. So now 2 pi gone. So here comes theta and r. So what is that? Theta is 60 degree, that means pi by 3. So now it will come pi by 3 into r. Solve this. So here you can see r is common. At the same time we will take the LCM of this. So LCM is what? 3. So here comes r, 3 root 3. Here comes 3r and here comes pi r. So now we will take r by 3 common. So we will take r by 3 common. So now what here you will get? 3 root 3. Here you will get 3 and here you will get pi centimeter. So this only we have to prove that. Next comes your area of shaded region. That means this red color you have to shade. So what is the area of that? So here what we will do, we will take out the area of a rectangle minus area of the sector. So now second one is area of shaded region. That is equal to area of triangle minus area of sector. So area of triangle is what? You can see this is 90 degree, this is the height and this is the base. So now we will write here area of triangle is equal to half into the height into the base root 3r. That is equal to, we can say, is root 3 r square by 2. This is the area of a triangle. Next we will find out area of the sector. Area of sector. That is your EOG. So area of a sector formula is what? Theta r square by 2. Theta r square by 2. Just solve here. So theta is pi by 3. Pi by 3 and here comes 2 into 2. And r square. That means here comes r square. Now we have to subtract this. Just subtract this. What we will get? Here we will get root 3 r square by 2 minus pi r square by 6. Take the LCM here. So LCM is 6. So here comes 3 root 3 r square minus pi r square. So here if you see, r square by 6 is common. R square by 6 is common. The remaining is 3 root 3 minus pi. Centimeter square is the area of your shaded region. So see this, we have proved this also. So now we can write hence